Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be making chicken nuggets. If you have not yet subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So the first thing I will do is to introduce you to what I'm using. Vegetable oil. Inside this bowl here, I have chicken breast, salt, black pepper which is also known as Cameroon pepper, blended cornflakes, powder milk, lemon juice, 2 eggs, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 Maggi Cube, garlic powder and ginger powder. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. As you can see, my well cleaned chicken breast is already on the cutting board. I will slice it in half, then cut it into smaller pieces. Then put it inside the bowl. After cutting it, this is how it looks. I cut it into a square shape as you can see. Now I'm going to marinate the chicken. I'll add 1 Maggi Cube, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of Cameroon pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'll mix it together so that all these ingredients I just added will enter into the chicken. I will set it aside and let it marinate for 15 minutes. I'll break my eggs inside a mixing bowl. I will add 1 tablespoon of powdered milk, then whisk it. In the flour, I will add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of Cameroon pepper, then mix it together. Now I will take my marinade chicken breast and coat it inside the flour. After that, I'll dip it inside the egg mix. Then coat it generously with the blended cornflakes. Then put it in the plate. After coating it with the flour, egg mix and blended cornflakes, this is how it looks. As you can see, I've started preheating my oil. Now I'll add my nuggets. By the way guys, I'm frying this nugget on a medium heat. I'll fry it on each side for 2 minutes until it's golden brown. Now flip it over to the other side so that it can cook as well. Now take it out of the pan and put it in a plate that has a paper towel on it. This is the end result of my chicken nugget. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.